Hello students. In this class we see arithmetic progressions, second exercise 9 to 16 questions and their solutions. Okay. If the third and the ninth terms of AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of AP is 0? So we have seen that in the previous mains, like minus 150 is this a term, or 70 minus 78 is which term. So AN we have to assume that it's 0. Before that we have to find the AP. So for that they have given the clue. Third term is 4 and ninth term is minus 8. Let's take that. So given third term is 4. What do you mean by that? A plus 2D is 4. And ninth term A9 is minus 8. That is A plus 8D is minus 8. So you solve them to get the A and D. So you have to subtract it so that they get cancelled, and before subtracting you will make the changes of signs of the second line. You should know solving two variable equations here, knowledge. So 2D minus 8D is minus 6D, 4 plus 8 is 12, therefore D equal to minus 2, 6 1 ja, 6 2 ja. D is minus 2. So substitute this in any of the above equations, you get A. Therefore I'll do in 1, from 1 we get A plus 2 of D is minus 2 is 4. Therefore A is equal to 4. Minus 2 into minus 2 minus 4. When you transpose it will become plus 4. 4 plus 4 8. A and D you got it, right? What is the question? Which term of AP is 0? So we don't know that. So let AN is equal to 0. So we want to know N here. Therefore AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is 0. A is 8. N minus 1 we don't know N only. D is minus 2. 0 is equal to 8 plus, sorry, you have to multiply minus 2 to the n minus 1. So plus n into minus 2 minus 2n, plus into minus minus, minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2. You should know properly the multiplication here. Minus minus into minus plus plus 2. Therefore 0 is equal to 8 plus 2 is 10 minus 2n. Therefore you transpose minus 2n to left side, it becomes plus 2n. 10 there itself it will be 10 only, plus 10, 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja, n is equal to 5. So here n is 5 means fifth term of the AP is 0. That's the meaning. Therefore we just conclude fifth term of given AP is 0. You can verify it. That is A5 is, A is what? 8 plus 4D, 4 into D is minus 2, that is 0. Check out. This is a verification. Okay. Okay, we'll move to the next question. 10th one. The 17th term of AP exceeds the 10th term by 7. Find that common difference. So, according to given 17th term, see, according to given 17th means A17. So, 17th term of the AP exceeds its 10th term by 7, means A10 plus 7. Okay. A17 means A plus 16D equal to A10 means A plus 9D equal plus 7. A get cancels. 16D minus 9D. I'll transpose 9D to the left side. It will become 16 minus 7. 9 is 7D. 7. 7 1 ja. 7 1 ja. D equal to 1. Therefore, required common difference is equal to 1. Simple question it is. You should know the algebra equation formation and solving. Okay, let's move to the 11th one. Which of the term will be 132 more than its 54th term? AP is given, means 54, you which term, so 54th term you have to first find what is the value. To that you add 132, it comes to one number. That number you assign to an and find n there. That is the logic here. Understood? I'll repeat again. 54th term for the given AP you can find out. For that 54th term you add 132, it will be some number. That some number you assign to an, find n number n here, that term will be the value. Let's see. Consider AP 3, 15, 27, 39. Okay. Here A is 3, D is 15 minus 3, 2. Right? According to, okay, 54th term. Therefore, A 54 we find A plus 53D. Right? A means 3, 3 plus 53 of 2, 3 plus 106, 109. Therefore, A 50, so we don't know the, let an is equal to, an is equal to 1, what is the value? 132 more than A54, right? That is the value. So here, an is what? A plus n minus 1 into d, right? We don't know that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Or we'll assign that directly and find it. Otherwise, wait. I'll make you the sum easier. So now 132 plus A54 is equal to 132 plus 109. That will be 9. Sorry, 9 plus 2, 11, right? Sorry, my mistake. So we have to add that 132 plus 100, 142. We'll add 10 here, 232, 242. We'll give 1 back, 241 it is. 9 plus 2, 11, 3 plus 1, 4, 1 plus 1, 2. Therefore, we don't know that an is equal to, let this an is equal to 241. We want to know which term, means n we have to find here. Therefore, put the formula. N is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. N is 241. A we know 3. N we don't know, we want to calculate it. D 2. So 241 minus 3 is 238 equal to n minus 1 into 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 nines are. A54 how much it came? Okay. D is what, how much 2 it is, right? 11th. Why so much of value here? 241, 132 more than 54th term. Okay. A cancels. D is what? 65. How it will come? 241, 238. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 19s. Okay. What it comes? N minus 1 is equal to 119. N is equal to 120. But I feel it is wrong. Did I calculate somewhere wrong? A54 is A53 plus D. 3 plus 2 3 is 6. 2 5 is 10. 106 plus 9, 109. 132 more than its A54. 53 D plus 32. I think it should come properly. I don't know why. What is the value of D here? Did I get any wrong here? Yes, D is wrong here. We check out, I'll correct it. 12 here. So all question changes now. I'll just calculate it, recalculate. 12 into 53, right? 12 3 is I'll just erase the things. This cancels, this cancels, this cancels, this cancels. Okay, let me correct it. My mistake, I guess. I will recalculate. Okay, let's see. Okay, 12. 12 3 is 36. 3 carry. 12 5 is 60. Plus 3, 63. Right? 63 plus 3, 639. Right? 639. Okay. Now 639 when you add to 132, how much it comes? 7. So check out. 9 plus 2, 11. My mistake, pardon me here, friends. I am calculating again this. Okay. Okay. When you add 132 plus 639, see, this is what it happens when you calculate one number wrong. 9 plus 2, 11. 1 carry. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 3, 7. 6 plus 1, 7. So this will be 771. 771 and 12 here. D is 12. A plus n minus 1 to D. 771 minus 3 means 11 minus 3 is 8. 768 into 12. So 768 by 12. 12 ones are 12 6 are 72. 4 carry 48. 12 12 6 768, right? 4 12 12 4 is 48. Okay. So n minus 1 is equal to 64. N is equal to 64, 4 plus 1, 65. See, this took 5 minutes more because we calculated 515 minus 3 as 2. That is my mistake. Correct yourself. Okay. We'll move to the next question. We have many questions to solve. 12th one. This is an important question. I mean, kind of not a regular question. Two APs have same common difference. They say D is same, but there are two APs. Means APs are A1 is different. The difference between the 100th term is 100. What's the difference between the 1000 term? If you put a logic, if common difference is same, then difference between any two terms becomes same only, right? That's the logic here. 1 marks question it is, but since you solve it properly, it will become 3 marks question. Otherwise, whatever the difference, 1000 terms or 8th term, when common difference is same between two APs, it comes same. Let's see. We should get 100 here answer. Okay, we'll solve like this. How? See, let 1 APB A comma A plus D comma A plus 2D dash 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 A plus n minus 1 into D, and another APB, we'll take B plus D is same here, okay, B plus 2D dash 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 B plus n minus 1 into D. They have given A 100 is equal to how much we get? A plus 9090, right? And B 100 is what? B plus 9090. They have given the difference between the 100th term means A 100 minus B 100 is 100. They have given it. Okay. What do you mean by A 100 minus B 100? We have the expression above. Just take it down here. That is A 100 means A plus 1990 minus B 100 means B plus 1990 is 100. Okay. Please understand here. Then you open the bracket and solve it. A plus 99D minus B minus 99D equal to 100. Open the bracket, you'll understand. So 1990 cancels because they are in plus and 1 is minus. Therefore, A minus B is 100. Call this as 1. Similarly, we calculate what is asked, a thousandth term. Therefore, A 1000 minus B 1000 they want, right? What is 8000? A plus 999D. What is B 1000? B plus 9990. That means A plus 9990 minus B minus 9990. Okay. Observe this. You got A minus B only. From 1, what is the A minus B value? 100. From 1. Therefore, conclude required difference between their thousandth terms is 100. I told you in the beginning, if common difference is same, it doesn't matter with the A number of terms, the difference between any two terms, right? It will be same. Okay. We'll move to the next question, 13th one. 13th one. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? Please see. It's a simple. It has a similar like question in example. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? Means first you have to get the list of numbers divisible by 7. The first number is what? First 3-digit number, I say. First 3-digit number divisible by 7 is what? How much? Do you know that? Anything? So we'll take first 3-digit number 100. Try to subtract, cancel it. 7 1 ja 7. 3 carry 30. 7 4 ja 28. 2 remaining. So means plus 5 will give you 105 is the first number. You should know the logic here to build the list. Then the next number becomes divisible by 7 means it's a 7 multiple. Common difference will be C, the 7 only. Therefore, next divisible by 7 is 105 plus 7, that is 112. Okay. Means it continues like this 105, 112, 117 like that. Till how much? So we get the last 3-digit number, highest 3-digit number, check the divisibility there. Otherwise, get its previous divisible number by 7. Therefore, largest 3-digit number is how much? 999. Try 999 by 7. 7 1 ja 7. For 2 remaining 29. 7 4 ja 28. Right? 7 4 ja 28. 1 remaining 19. 7 2 ja 14. 5 is the remainder here. Okay? 5 is the remainder. Means you subtract 5 from it. Means 994 minus 5. That sorry 999 minus 5. 994 will get cancelled properly. Therefore, largest 3-digit number divisible by 7 is equal to 994. Therefore, AP is, you have to consider construct AP. That is the logic here. For that only we did all these calculations. AP is 105, 112, 119 dash 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 994. Understood? Now you find how many digits n we want here. So A equal to 105, B equal to D equal to 12 minus, that is 7 multiple means obviously D equal to 112 minus 105 becomes 7 definitely. Therefore AN is equal to 1994. Therefore AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. 994 is equal to 105 plus N minus 1 into 7. If you subtract 994 and 105, how much it comes? 14 minus 5 is 9, 8, 8, right? 889. 889 is equal to n minus 7 into n minus 1 into 7. 7 ones are, it should get cancelled, otherwise it will not be a proper question. 7 ones are 7, 18, 7 2s are 14, 4 remaining, 7 7s are 14. Therefore, n minus 1 is equal to 127, n is equal to 128. Okay. Therefore, required 3-digit numbers is equal to 128. That means there are 128 7 multiples of 3-digit number. That's the question. Answer, sorry. Okay. We'll move to the next question quickly. 14th. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? It's the same similar question. They have given the end numbers here. We calculate the multiples of 4 and construct the AP. Find the numbers. So here uh, how many multiples of 4, right? Between 10 and 250. The first multiple you have in, what is the first multiple? First multiple of 4 after 10 is, sorry, I don't write that. So we'll write in this way. Multiples of 4 between 10 and 250 are 10 will not go, 11 will not go, 12 will go, right? 4 3s are 12. Means 4 multiple means we get 4 more. 250, does 250 go in 4? Just check divisibility. 4 1 ja, 4 6 ja, 24, 1 carry, 1 remaining. 10, 4 2 ja, 8, 2 remaining, right? So subtract 2 from this, we get 248 is the highest number. Okay, divisible multiple of 4. So 2 is the remainder. So that becomes 248. Therefore, you just extract A. D is 16 minus 12, 4. AN is 248. Okay. Therefore, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is 248. A is 12 plus N minus 1 into D is 4. 248 minus 12 means 8 minus 12, 6, 4 minus 1, 3, 2 equal to N minus 1 into 4. Don't multiply 4 with n minus 1. It will be difficult. I mean, few more steps you have to do. Instead, these are in factors form. 4 1s are 4 5s are 90, 4 5s are 20, 4 9s are 36. This n minus 1 is equal to 59, n is equal to 60, right? Therefore, there are 60 multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250. Please conclude the answer. Okay. We'll move to the next question. 14th done, 15th, and 2 more are left only. For what value of n the APs are equal? It's very important question. Mark this as important. For what value of n the APs are equal? That means just check out. So first consider first AP. Consider AP 63, 65, 67 dash dash dash, comma it is actually, then dash dash dash. Here A is 63, D is 65 minus 63, that is 2. N we don't know, we calculate N here itself. So we'll see AN is what? AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN we don't know. A 63, N minus 1 we don't know, D is 2. That becomes 63 plus 2N minus 2, that is 63, 63 minus 2 is what? 61, right? 61 minus 2N. Okay. Consider another AP here. Consider AP, another AP, 3, 10, 17 they are given, right? Similarly, you get AN for that. 3, 10, 17, dash, dash, dash. Here A is 3, D is 10 minus 3, 7, right? So AN is what? AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. A is 3 plus N minus 1 into D is 7. 3 plus 7N minus 7, that becomes 7N minus 4. You call these two as 1 and 2 because what they have asked is for what value of N these two are APs are equal. Then that means these should, we have to equate them to get the value of N. Therefore, according to given, 61 minus 2N is equal to 7N minus 4. So, 61 minus 2N is equal to 7N minus 4. Properly we calculate. Yes. So, 2N I'll transfer to the right side, left side I'll take 4. That is 61 plus 4, 65 is equal to 7 plus 2 is 9. Did I calculate 7N minus 3 is plus minus 4? 61. Okay. Okay. 65 is equal to 7N plus 2N. Just check out what we have did here. Minus 2N. 63. 2 plus 2N minus 2 becomes 63. Plus 2N it is. My mistake. That is the reason. Okay. Then you transfer. So it will become 5N. 5 1 ja, 5 1 ja, 5 3 ja. Then is equal to 13. So means, therefore, 13 terms for what value of N these equal means 13 terms of first AP, 13 terms of second AP are equal. Okay. 13th terms of the two APs are equal. Just conclude. 13th terms of two APs are equal. Okay. We'll see the last question in this now in this class. 16th one. Determine the AP whose third term is 16. Seventh term exceeds fifth by 12. That means what they have given is third term is 16. Okay. And third term is 16. Seventh term exceeds fifth term by 12. That means A7 exceeds A5 plus 12. Okay. What is third term? We know A plus 2D equal to 16. And A7 is what? A plus 6D equal to A plus, for A5D means A plus 4D is equal to 12. AA cancels here. 6D minus 4D is 2D equal to 12. D equal to 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja, D is 6. Therefore, you call this as 1. Therefore, from 1, A plus 2 of D is 6 is 16. Therefore, A equal to 16 minus 12 is 4. We got A as 4 and D as 6. We want construct the AP. They want AB, determine AP. Therefore, required AP is, you should know that AP, A that is 4, A plus D means 4 plus 6, 10, A plus 2D, 6 difference, right? 16, 22, like that. Okay. This completes the today's 9 to 16 questions. There are many good questions have come in this exercise. Please practice well. If any questions out of these solutions, please comment. I'll clarify. Thank you.